In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your task using ClickUp. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to GuideWise. Alright, so ClickUp is an amazing platform that allows you to organize all the back office matters of your company or even your personal task. Alright, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is create an account on ClickUp. In case you guys don't have ClickUp yet, I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys. And we're going to go ahead and open up our homepage. Now in your homepage, you're going to have different categories. You're going to have board, list, you're going to have your calendar, which you can connect to your Google Calendar, table, and then Gantt. I usually prefer to look at things as a board because it allows me to see things better. But again, pick the one that works best for you. And now all you have to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the task that you want to edit. So let's say that you have to record 3 TikToks. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to give your task a name. So in this case, I'm going to say something like record 3 TikToks. And then you can give your task a status. So it can either be in your to-do list, it can be in progress, meaning that you're working on it, or it can be complete once you're done. Another thing that you can do is you can move it around, and you can do that honestly for everything. Let's say I want to work out today. I'm going to give it a date. So today is Monday. It's going to be due today, and I want to work out today around 6 p.m. And that is it, you guys. You can also add subtasks. So let's say you need to record 3 TikToks, but you also need to edit them. So you're just going to give that little reminder to yourself so you remember to edit your video. I hope this was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.